Today's topic is MCPA motor working and troubleshooting. MCPA motor is provided in auxiliary 1 power circuit. Auxiliary compressor. MCPA is provided in motor coach to create pressure in Panto reservoir, ABB reservoir and control reservoirs initially to energize the motor coach. It is a DC series motor of 1 HP capacity. Minimum voltage required to operate MCPA is 90 volts. A contactor CC2 is provided to stop and start MCPA. MCPA is protected by a 15 amps MCB on positive side and a 16 amps fuse on negative side. A controlling governor CG2 which closes when pressure is below 5.5 kg per centimeter square and opens when pressure is 6.5 kg per centimeter square is provided to close and open CC2 contactor. A governor bypass switch GS4 is provided to bypass CG2 governor in case it becomes defective and is located in LT room. MCPA is located in HT room. MCPA starting circuit. Starting of MCPA. Switch on BIS and ensure battery voltage is above 90 volts. Insert BL key and unlock BL. Press HVCB close switch. Then through 15 amps MCB for Panto and VCB and BL interlock, ABR set coil will energize and latches. When VCB is in open condition. At the same time, through jumper cable 7 in all other motor coaches also, battery supply goes to ABR set coil. There also ABR set coils will energize and latch. Then ABR normally open interlock closes in CC2 coil circuit. And through 2.5 amps MCB for MCPA, ABR normally open interlock closed and MCPA governor closes when the pressure is below 5.5 kg per centimeter square. CC2 coil gets energized. When CC2 coil is energized, CC2 contactor will close and the MCPA will start working. In the same way, in all other motor coaches also, CC2 coil energizes and contactors close and there also all MCPAs start working. And they stop as soon as the pressure reaches 6.5 kg per centimeter square. CPA is not working. Troubleshooting procedure. Ensure BIS is on and battery voltage is above 90 volts. Check ABR. If ABR not latched, operate BL key 2 to 3 times and ensure BL is unlocked. Ensure 15 amps MCB for Panto bar VCB is in on condition. If it is tripped, reset it. If again tripped, keep HOBA in fault in all MCs and try. Ensure VCB is in open position. Press and release VCB close switch. ABR energizes and latches. Then MCPA starts. If ABR is not latched, then latch it manually. If ABR latched but CC2 contactor is not closing, check 2.5 amps MCB for MCPA in 4th row of MCB for fuse panel. If it is tripped, reset it. If again tripped, keep HOBA in off position in all MCs and try. Keep GS4 in bypass position and try. If successful after creating the pressure, keep the bypass switch in off position. If still unsuccessful, if it is a single MC, wedge CC2 contactor by taking precautions, and after building up the pressure, remove the wedge. If it is a rake, start the good MCPS, energize good MCs and start the main compressors there. After building up the MR pressure, energize the defective motor coach. CC2 contactor is closing, but CPA is not working. Check the terminals of MCPA. Ensure 15 amps MCB for MCPA on positive side and 16 amps fuse on negative side are in normal position. If MCB tripped, reset it and try. If fuse melted, replace the fuse and try. If again MCB trips or fuse melts, keep Hoba in fault all motor coaches and try. If still unsuccessful and if it is a single MC, contact TLC. If it is a rake, start the good MC MCPS, energize the good MCs and start the main compressors. After building up the MR pressure, energize the defective motor coach. Auxiliary compressor working but pressure not building up in EMU and MEMU, then check the drain cocks of Panto reservoir, control reservoir, VCB reservoir and 2 CDCs for any air leakages and try to arrest the same. Check the auxiliary compressor safety valve. Today we discussed about MCPA, its starting procedure and troubleshooting procedure if it is not working. Thank you all.